going to make a very famous Indian curry recipe. Yeah, you guessed it, it's Rajma Masala. And I believe you haven't visited any Indian restaurant without Rajma Chawal or Rajma Masala on the menu. Yes, it is loved by one and all. And the way I'm going to make Rajma Masala today is very simple. I use minimum spices and very less oil. You will see that I use only 2 tablespoons of oil in my recipe, and yet it comes out to be very delicious, very flavorful every time I do it. So let's see how I'm going to make.
Let's see what all ingredients we need to make Rajma Masala. Red kidney beans or Rajma that we will soak in water for about 10 hours. Chilli, ginger, fresh cilantro, bay leaf, a few whole spices, that is cinnamon sticks, black cardamom and cloves, salt, red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric, cumin seeds, and oil. You may use oil of your choice. I would be using clarified butter or desi ghee in my recipe. These beads were soaked in water for 10 hours. After that, drain them. See, they have increased in size. Now, I'm going to pressure cook the beans in a pressure cooker. This pressure cooker along with whole spices and salt. Put in the beans and water. Water level should be higher than the beans. This pressure cooker requires 35 to 40 minutes of cook time with lid on. For those of you who have a regular pressure cooker which whistles, you may give 2 to 3 whistles or till the beans are done. After the pressure is released, let's check the condition. Tablespoon of clarified butter in a pan. If you do not have a clarified butter, you may use half tablespoon of oil and half tablespoon of unsalted butter, or simply 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is heated, add in cumin seeds, followed by finely chopped onion. You may want to grate onion using a grater, but please do not make a paste of onion. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. If you do not have either of the two, do not use oil. Let it go like that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for latest recipes. My next recipe is